हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। और दोस्तों एंड फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी विल टेस्ट द MOSFET, हाउ टू टेस्ट द MOSFET. Today topic is how to check and test the MOSFET. So you can see here, this is the symbol of MOSFET, enhancement and channel MOS. This is the part number of this MOSFET, and this is drain, this is source, and this is gate. And you can see there is a one diode between the drain and source, and this diode is called body diode. So in the MOSFET testing, main point is to test this diode. So you can see here, this is the anode and this is the cathode. So in simple way, as we test the simple diode, we will test this body diode, keeping the lead red here at the source and black here at the drain. Okay, so it will show some diode rating. So now we set the multimeter at the diode range. We set it. You can see here, this is the diode symbol. And now we will put the here lead, anode and cathode, drain and source here. So before the testing of a MOSFET, first we will sort all the 3 pins of the MOSFET. So we sort all the 3 pins. If there is a MOSFET on, so it will get off. If there MOSFET get charged, then it will discharge by doing so. Okay, so this is the MOSFET. It TO220 package, and you can see here, this is the gate. First pin is gate, second and middle pin is drain, and this pin also drain. This pin and body pin, this body part and middle pin is short. This is called drain, and third pin is source. So first we will put the lead here and here. So now black at drain and red on source. So you can see here, it is showing the diode rating. Okay, so now I check. Red I put here and black on here. So it shows the open. So here it will show open, and here it will show some value of diode rating. So you can see, you can say that diode are in the MOSFET are in the good condition, working condition. Now you can see here, this is the gate, and you can see by the symbol that gate is completely separate from this part. So it is also same in the MOSFET. Okay, if you check with the lead by keeping the multimeter in the resistance range, so it will show open. If I check the black by keeping the black lead on the gate, okay, and red at the drain, it is showing open, and then source, it is showing open. But if we put the red here at the gate and black on the drain, and now black on the source, so it is also showing open. Okay, so you can say that MOSFET are in working condition, or MOSFET are in the good condition. Now I tell you how MOSFET on. I put the multimeter again in the diode range. How MOSFET on gets on? MOSFET may be on by any radiation Yeah, by keeping the red lead here, it may be on. Red lead keeping on the gate terminal when diode in the multimeter in the diode range. Why it gets on? Because red lead of the multimeter having some voltage 0.6 0.7 volt. That's why this voltage charge the capacitance of the gate. This is called the stray capacitance. So this will charge the stray capacitor of the gate, and for some times MOSFET may be on for some times. After some times it will get off. Okay, so I tell you how it on. So now the multimeter at the diode range, I put the red lead of the multimeter at the gate and black on the source. By doing so, it should be MOSFET should be on. Now I check when the MOSFET is on, what is the identification of MOSFET getting on? If you put the red lead here and black here, so it will show some value. Okay, so you can say that MOSFET are in on condition. Now I will check. I will put the red lead here and black at the source. So it is showing some value. So you can say MOSFET is on condition. But in the off condition, it will show the open in this condition. Now what I do, right now MOSFET in the on condition. So to get it off, we can do one thing. We will short all its 3 pins by the multimeter lead. Okay. In this condition, MOSFET should be off. Now we check again here and here. Earlier it was showing some rating, but if MOSFET is off, it will show open here. Now check again. Red at the drain, black at the source. So it is showing open. So now MOSFET is off. Now I put the red on the gate. Okay, and black on the source, so it will be on. Again I check. Now it is on. Okay, again I off it by sorting all 3 pins. I check again, it should be off. Okay, so this is the property of MOSFET, and many people gets confused in this property of the MOSFET because they think without applying the gate voltage, MOSFET is on, become on. So this is the something difficult thing. This is something not difficult, it is something confusion. Some people are not fully aware about the MOSFET working and MOSFET testing, how MOSFET work, so they get confused. So I hope you got all the point regarding the MOSFET. And if you like my video, so please subscribe and like my video, and press the bell icon for the next coming video. Thank you.